Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning, children. Stand up, everyone. First do prayer. Stand. Aarti. Aarti, are you there? Pratikra, stand. Where are you standing, ma'am? Get down. Standing on sofa and standing on bed, is it good? Stand on the ground. Is this the way learning discipline? Harshita KR, on your video. Every day I have to tell. Joshna, Varsha, on your video and sit. Good morning, children. Now everyone sit. Clasp your fingers. Close your eyes. What is that, Pratikraj? Why are you clapping your hands? Close your eyes, children. We'll do meditation. Close your eyes. Clasp your fingers. Sit straight. Varsha, keep your phone properly. I can't see you. Okay. Sumant, you also keep your phone properly, man. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. By closing your eyes only, memorize. In the last class, in the grammar class, what did you all learn? You all learned about verbs, correct? What is the meaning of verb? By closing your eyes only, memorize, children. What is verb? A verb is a word which expresses an action, correct? Yes, which expresses an action. What are the examples I told you for action? Like jumping, laughing, climbing steps. These are all some actions which perform. Okay, so a verb is a word which expresses an action or tells something about a person or thing. So what example I given for you there? I given example, a pencil and a pen. Pencil is dancing. Varsha, I told to close your eyes. Sumant. A verb is a word which expresses an action or tells something about a person or thing. Okay. What are the examples of verbs? Laugh, climb, drink, run, eat, was, etc. Okay. Next, what are the different kinds of verbs? There are two kinds of verbs. What are those? Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. By closing your eyes only, you're memorizing, right, children? Yes. What is transitive verb? A verb which requires an object to complete its meaning is called transitive verb. Means after the verb, if the thing or object is there, means then we will call it as a transitive verb. Okay, children. Next, in intransitive verb, a verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning is called an intransitive verb. Okay. Now let me give example for transitive verb and intransitive verb. Example of transitive verb is Pooja wrote a letter. So what is a thing here? Letter is a thing. Okay. Pooja wrote a letter. That is a transitive verb. What is the example of intransitive verb? I can tell that the horse runs very fast. A horse runs very fast. Here there is no thing. So we can tell this example as an intransitive verb. Okay. Now open your eyes, children. Open your eyes. Rub your hands and keep it on your eyes like this. Okay. Now did you all got what is verb? Example of verb and the different kinds of verb. Yes, Pratik Raj, what is your doubt? Always playing there and raising hand. Unmute from your side. Pratik Raj, unmute from your side.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
See here, full network is there, no issue from my side. If network issue is there, you come little bit outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop playing from there. Listen carefully what the teacher is teaching. Okay, I will ask question for you. Okay, children, till here, I taught you in the last class. Now, open page number 36 and 37. English grammar textbook, open page number 36 and 37. Okay. In this, I have given you homework, right, children? So here, with explanation, I will tell you the answers. Okay. Take pencil and make it correct. If it is wrong, make it correct. If it is correct, leave it. See, the first example, they already did that. The train left at 5 o'clock. Here the verb is 5 o'clock. The verb is 5 o'clock. Sorry, the left is verb and at 5 o'clock thing or any watch means that is a thing. So then we can make it under a transitive. But here they did not mention a clock. Okay, they are telling that it is 5 o'clock. So we should enter in the column intransitive verb. Okay, that example it already there. In the second one, the hunter killed the lion. The hunter killed the lion. Here the verb is killed. Okay. Which one he killed? He killed lion. So we can mention lion as a thing. So we should enter in a column transitive. Right? Killed in a transitive column. First column. Right? Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. That is transitive verb. Finished. Next, third one. The teacher punished me. The teacher punished me. In this, the verb is punished. Okay. So after that, me means I'm a thing. Okay. So where we should write? We should write in a transitive column. So, see, you can show if it is transitive column, you can show thumbs up. If it is an intransitive, you can show thumbs down. Understood? I will tell the verb, okay? You have to identify whether it is transitive or intransitive. Understood, children? Next, fourth one, the water is boiling. The is boiling. Okay, circle is boiling. Circle is boiling. Tell me what it is. It is transitive or intransitive? So it is, yes, very good. It is intransitive. Write it in the second column. Is boiling. Next, fifth one. We play badminton every day. What is the verb here? It is play. Okay. Circle, play. In fifth one, circle, play. So after the verb, what is there? Badminton. Badminton is a thing. So where we should write? We should write in, yes, in transitive. Krutiya, you having doubt? What is your doubt, ma? You need to send me in group. Krutiya?
Yeah.
Yes, unmute, ma. Krutiya?
Ma'am, what is transitive, what is intransitive, ma'am? I didn't understand.
See, after the verb, if anything or object is there means, what is that Tejo or Tejo? What you doing there? Is this the way to sit in class? I will remove you out from the class. Sit properly and listen carefully. See, there are two kinds of verb, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. Okay. See, in the first one, that is transitive verb. After the verb, if anything or object is there means, then we should mention it as a transitive verb. Okay. After the verb, there are no objects or there are no thing means, then we can say it as intransitive. Okay. See, one good example I will give you. Krutya, you are getting? Krutya? Krutya, are you getting?
No,
Are you
ma'am.
getting? You are
No,
not
ma'am.
understanding. See, what is there in my hand now? I having a pencil.
Pencil.
Okay.
Pencil.
This is pencil. Okay. So one sentence I will tell now. Okay. I am writing by pencil. I am writing by pencil. Okay. What is a verb here? That is writing. Okay. Writing is an action. Okay. And understand? Writing is an action. So we can mention writing as a verb. Okay. I am writing by pencil. So pencil is a thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Pencil is a thing. So
Thing.
now I can write in the transitive column. That is writing by pencil. Okay. Writing is a transitive verb.
Transitive verb, ma'am. Writing.
Yes. Writing by pencil. See, I am mentioning a thing. If I didn't mention anything means, then it will be intransitive. If I just say, I am writing. If I just say, I am writing,
Transitive.
then it is intransitive. If I tell, I am writing in a book. I am writing in a book. So here what the thing or object I am using? Book. So where I should write now? I should write now in a transitive column.
Transitive.
Yes. Now did you hear? See,
Yeah,
if we
ma'am.
use a thing or object after the verb, then we call it as a transitive verb. If there is no thing or no object after the verb, then we call it as an intransitive verb. Understood?
Understood, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Okay,
teacher
mute by
punished
yourself.
me.
Varsha, you
Ma'am.
having doubt?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, the teacher punished me means punished.
Punished is a verb. It will be intransitive verb.
Punished is intransitive.
After that, no any object is there, no anything is there.
No, ma'am.
Teacher punished
Me.
by hitting him a stick.
Ma'am,
Or
your
by
voice is breaking.
hitting,
Once again tell, ma'am.
teacher punished me. Teacher punished me. Me means I am a thing. Okay. So now it will be as a transitive verb. Teacher punished. Teacher punished. It will be intransitive. Teacher punished me. Then it will be in a understood. Yes,
Yes.
Varsha. Unmute from your side. Varsha.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, what are you saying? You'll send in group, ma'am?
Yes, I can send in group, but few of your friends, they are feeling difficult to mark all this. So by explaining each and every one, I am making you to write in a class itself.
You'll
Okay.
send-
After writing also, I will send in group. Okay. Huh?
Why I am asking means your voice is breaking, ma'am.
See, all the other your friends are, they are able to hear my voice, Varsha. Here there is no network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
See, after the class also, I will send in group. Okay. Let me do the class first. It's already 20 minutes over, only 20 minutes left. Simply don't raise, okay? Don't waste the time in class. If you're having doubts, then only you raise your hand, children. If anything important you want to say, miss, then you can raise your hand. Understood? Don't simply raise or don't show thumb. Okay, if it is anything important or if you need to say anything, then only you raise your hand. Understood? Varsha,
Yes, ma'am.
mute by yourself. After speaking, you must mute by yourself, children. Okay, next, sixth one, completed every day. We play badminton every day. Here the verb is play. Okay. After the play, we are using the verb word that is badminton. So badminton is a thing. So we can write in which column? That is a transitive column. If it is transitive, we should show thumbs up. If it is intransitive, show the thumbs down. Okay. Next in sixth one, the lion is roaring. So here, which is verb? Circle, that is roaring. Circle is roaring. Yes, very good, Hemisha. It is intransitive. It is intransitive. Next in seventh one, they sold the old house. So the verb is sold. Circle, sold. The old house. So here the old house is an object or thing. Okay, so yes, very good, Tanmay, Hemisha. It is transitive. Okay, thumbs up. Write sold in the column transitive. Very good, Mahendra. Stole my necklace. The thief stole. Circle, stole. Joshna completed writing. Circle, stole. So the thief stole my necklace. My necklace is a thing. So in which column we have to write? Which one? It is thumbs up or thumbs down? Varsha, you showing wrong. Prapti, you also showing wrong. Yes, it is transitive. My necklace is a thing. So we should write in the column transitive. Yes, now very good. Stole. Write down the verb stole. S-T-O-L-E. In the first column, transitive column. Completed? Next, ninth one. She looked sad. She looked sad. So here the verb is looked. Verb is looked. Circle that. Circle the verb looked. Prapti, are you writing? Show me your book. Show me your book. I am asking Prapti, Varsha. I am observing that you are writing. I can see from here. Where is your book, Prapti? You're not having book. Okay. After that, after the class, you have to write it and send me. Okay. Next. So here, looked is intransitive. Circle the verb look and write it in the column intransitive. Next, 10th one. The children shouted with joy. The children shouted with joy. Here the verb is shouted. Circle, shouted. So we have to write this in second column, that is intransitive. Show thumbs down. It is intransitive. Okay. Write in second column shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted. Next, 11th one. My father came yesterday. My father came yesterday. Yes, very good, Cherish. You are showing thumbs down. So it is intransitive. Came is the verb. We have to write came in the column intransitive. See here, yesterday is not a thing or it is not an object. Okay. Transit is transitive. Are singing, we have to write in transitive column. See children, you have to show the thumb. Okay. If it is transitive, show me thumbs up. If it is intransitive, show me thumbs down. Next, 14th one. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Who will tell for this? Which is verb here? Who will tell? Teju, can you tell? Baby is Teju. See, don't message here. Don't send message in the chat box. Okay, I will ask. The baby is sleeping. Tell me, Teju. Do you know the answer? Which is verb here? Unmute from your side and tell. Okay. Yes, unmute now. The baby is sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping. Circle, he is sleeping. Tell me, it is transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking from
Here,
starting
is
to
there
till.
anything after sleeping?
No, ma'am.
He is sleeping is intransitive. Okay, see, after sleeping, there is no object or there is no thing.
Intransitive.
So we have to write in the column intransitive. Okay, write in column intransitive, that is sleeping. Is sleeping. Yes, mute by yourself, Teju. Next, 15th one. He was riding a bicycle. He was riding a bicycle. So which is verb here? We have to circle was riding. Now is it clear? My voice is audible to you children? If it is audible, show me thumbs up. Everyone? Okay. He was riding a bicycle. Here the verb is was riding. Circle was riding. Okay. Now where we should write? We should write in transitive. Bicycle is an object. So we should write in transitive, that column, that is was riding. Write was riding in transitive column. WS was RIDING, riding. Next, 16th one, they are watching TV. So here TV is an object. The verb is are watching. Circle are watching. ARER, watching. Circle are watching. In which column? So we should write in transitive column, that is are watching. Write in the first column, are watching. Are watching. Write in the first column, transitive. Next, 17th one. We are going to Mumbai next Sunday. We are going to Mumbai next Sunday. Here there is no thing and there is no object. Okay. So we have to write in the column, second column, that is intransitive. Right. First circle, are going. Are going. Circle are going and write in the column intransitive. Completed. Next, 18th one. She is driving a car. She is driving a car. So here we can see the thing, that is car. Okay. We have to circle the verb, that is driving. Is driving. Write in first column, is driving, that is transitive. Yes, very good. Car is a thing. Next, 19th one. They bought a new scooter. They bought a new scooter. Circle bought. So we should write in first column transitive. Bought. Write bought in the first column, transitive column. Next, 20th one. The teacher is giving us a test next week. The teacher is giving us a test next week. So here the verb is giving. Is giving. We should write next, in practice, circle the transitive and underline the intransitive verb in the following passage. See, in this passage, we should circle the transitive verb. Okay. And then we should underline for intransitive. First, I will read the passage. Jatin was very excited. He did not sleep all night. The next morning, he was the first to get up. Jatin went to tap and filled 3 buckets of water. Then he filled the balloons and the syringe with colored water. When everything was ready, he called his friend Daksh. They took the balloons and their syringes and went out into the street. So children, in this, we should underline for intransitive and we should circle for the transitive verb. Okay. See, in the first sentence, Jatin was very excited. Here was is a verb. After was, there is no thing. Okay, so we should underline. That is a intransitive. Underline was. And second one, excited. Was. Next, excited. Underline the 2 words. In second sentence, he did not sleep all night. Here, the intransitive verb is did not sleep. Did not sleep. See, did not sleep is an action word. Okay, after that, there is no thing. So we should make it underline that to represent it as an intransitive. Underline was. After was, there is no object or thing. So we make it as an underline to represent intransitive. Next para, Jatin went to the tap and filled 3 buckets of water. Here, the 2 words are verbs. First is went. He went to the tap. So underline went. Underline went. And circle filled. Filled 3 buckets of water. See, after filled, there are 3 buckets of water. So bucket is an object. So we should make it as circle to represent transitive. Bucket is an object. So we should circle the verb filled. Circle filled. Next sentence. Then he filled the balloons and the syringe with colored water. Here circle filled. Filled. We have to circle filled. Because balloon is an object. Just and went out into the street. So here circle took. Circle took. And underline went. Went. Underline went. Okay. Okay, children. Let me stop here. In the next class, I will teach you auxiliary verbs. Okay. That are the helping verbs. Okay, children. Once again, I will send you in the group. If you miss any answer, miss, you can cross check it. Okay, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Happy Dasara to everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Same to you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You're like
Thank you, ma'am.